So take a look at this really nice phone stand that I have here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to test out. So I have the rose gold color here. There's a black and silver color as well, I believe. So yeah, this is just a really nice phone stand that you can put here on your desk. Holds your phone perfectly. It can adjust to any angle you like. So it is great to just leave at the side of your desk here to have your phone up like that. It has these silicone pads there to hold it in place so it doesn't slip. The silicone pads are at the bottom as well to protect your desk. The hinges are really nice and tight, so once you angle it in a certain position, it's not going to move, so that is super nice. And it is really compact as well, so you can fold it down easily like that. You can put it in your bag to take with you if you're traveling, or you take it to work or wherever. Carry it around, super compact and flat. Yeah, really nice. This aluminum, super high quality. Looks really nice, feels really nice, very nice and lightweight as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a phone stand for your desk or table, this will hold a tablet as well. I'm sure it's strong enough. You can hold it either way, and then it has a space for the charging cable as well. So yeah, if you're looking for one, make sure you check this out.